Testing. Let's see. I switched over to OBS today because I think someone yesterday said that Restream didn't have a clear picture. So we'll try it here today. Yes, let me get my screen ready. Give me 1 second. This one. Okay. I think I can share my screen right now. Here we go. Let's see. Let's open up Eraser. Alright, not sure if you could hear my heater, but anyway, I'm a little bit cold. Hello, welcome back to the live stream. Let's see. So yesterday I was trying to set up Stripe Connect webhook, and I think I was making it more complicated than it was. We already had the logic to implement webhooks with Stripe. I just needed to change a few things. But isn't it always that? Just, you already have the answer. It's right in front of your face. But yeah. But I think it's working now. I believe so. It seems like it is. I still need, I needed Cody to check it out. I think he's gonna do that. Let me see. Shoot. Okay, there's this bug. Let me see. Is it because it's on? I'm not sure if it's, there you go. Okay, I think now it should be fixed. Should be fixed now. Okay. Yes. So my point being, when building fast, what happens is you break things fast. And then also, building fast, you're not necessarily thinking about what's it called, like the most optimum way of doing things, which if you can, that's great. If you already have that mindset, I think you build that mindset as you're coding faster. I mean, as you code longer, or have more experience. But there are, I think it's good to, what am I saying? All right, today I'm gonna just go through Project Planner AI, see if there's any bugs that we might have missed, because we haven't tested every single use case. So just gonna, hey Cody, thanks for joining. Yes, okay. Today I just wanted to, I was gonna be like, I'm just gonna live stream trying to figure out this date picker issue. Let me see. And I think a lot of people were complaining in the issues about the calendar being an issue. But then I want to see what is the best way to show a calendar in, I think for desktop mode it makes sense. Why is it like showing up like the screenshot that you sent? I want to see if there's a way to control like the orientation. So if I, like, for example, if I shrink this one goes up automatically, or not right now, but this one was going up, that one. Yeah. So I don't know, in the code, is there somewhere, probably somewhere, let me see, but it's not evident. Maybe it's inside the calendar. Yeah. But just gonna look into that. In terms of UI, let's see. Let me close this. So let's see, today is the 29th. How many days have I been doing this for? 1. Let's start from, I think, wow. Let's start from here. I started here, but then I gave up. I think today, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, I forgot to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, not bad. 2 weeks. Let's see. Let's keep the streak going. Okay. Building in public. Okay, we're gonna optimize our, let's see, UI. Look for UI bugs. One is the Shadcn calendar. Is there any? Hello, yes, we are back. We are back at it. Okay. We are, let's see, npm run dev. Oh man, okay, I haven't updated the thingy. Give me 1 second. Embed in live stream. Uh-oh. That's not what I want. Okay. Is that the one? Is that gonna show? Okay, I think now it should be fine. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's see. We're here. Wait, Cody, you're still working on the sheet, right? Because I think in the code, the modal is still... Hello, thanks for joining. How's everybody doing on this lovely Friday? Am I Iranian? Guess, what do you think? What is Iran's neighbor? Oh, love the grind. Thank you. Thanks, appreciate it. Alright, I'm getting distracted. I only did this sheet for editing work items. I'm not sure if I want to refactor to create models into a sheet yet. Okay. Wait, oh, you did it for... I was trying it with the... Oh, okay, with the work items. Did you? Wait, have you pushed the code yet? Or are you still working on it? Or is it only in mobile? Okay. Did I not pull it? I thought I pulled. Okay. Did you get a chance to check out the finances page? Yeah, I did. I was looking at it. Let me see. I like it. The only thing is let me see. Maybe I was a little bit confused in terms of so this is the profit. It says it shouldn't, I don't know if it should be what's it called? I don't know if it should say total profit, because when I say total profit, I'm assuming like the total profit of the project. Maybe like have a toggle to switch. I don't know what's the best way in terms of UI to either see all of everything, like all your history, all your your total profit, and then maybe another toggle or something to see it by month, like what you have it here. Because I mean this makes sense, right? Like the total profit per month, but what if I don't think it'd be total profit for that month. But what if I want to see like the total profit for all the months? Did you create this yourself, or is this a Shadcn toggle? Oh, well, I have the code in front of me. Okay. Or I don't know. What do you think? I'm trying to think. I like to see, so we could see like our monthly revenue, and then maybe have like a graph to see like for each month. But then also I think we should have something to see like for all the months, if that makes sense. Where was I? So it looks like it's just above the new finance item. This one. This one. Okay, cool. So you built it yourself. Oh, look at you. And then every single time. Yeah, I think we need to maybe have 3 toggles. So it's like all time, year to date, and monthly. Yeah. That would be cool. And then the toggle could be like, no, I made it yourself. I just deal with some border and 2 buttons inside of it. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I think those 3 toggles make sense. And I think it could be like, let me see. The toggle can be right above or right below finances. So it'd be, actually, I could do it. If you don't mind, is it okay? Unless you, I don't want to like overstep whatever you're working about. But the idea was to have 3 toggles right below here, move this one here, and then these toggle would be the tabs. I don't know. This is like just brainstorming. The tabs similar to what we had for here, but I removed it. Where was it? Similar to here. Oh, but these are routes though. Do you think they should be routes? Or should they be tabs? I mean, we could use tabs, but then should the tabs be routes? As far as business is concerned, it's important to see monthly so you can compare month to month to see if you're having growth. Yep. In terms of taxes, it's useful to see year to date for taxes. Yep. Those are all valid. Yeah, I agree. Okay. Trying to think. We could do similar to how they did it for, I took a screenshot. Let me show you. Oh, no, not that one. Don't open that. Okay. It'd be similar to how they did it here. But forget about for testimonials, but have like all, right? All year to year, or all year to year monthly. And then just have, this would be the finances, this would be new item. And then if you click all, it'll show all of them year to year. Then the little toggle would be year to year, like 2023, 2024. And then the invites would be monthly. And then that's where you would see the monthly for the month toggle that you had. I don't know what you think about that. That's one way. Go for it. Okay, if you're cool with me doing it. Okay. Okay, let's go and do it. My sleeves. Let's do this. Hello. Thanks for joining. Let's see. We are gonna improve this. Let's go ahead. We are going to nice, cool. Hello, coding gimmick. What is your real name? Since you know my name, if you want to share, no pressure. You don't have to share. Okay, so let's go for it. Tabs. Let's see this one. And then right below here, then how I do it is I move all of this. No, come back. Redo. Alright. All of this here. Then I am on the wrong one. Finances. Let's see. This one should be right below it. Let me move this for a second. And then what we want, oh yeah, so I commented this out, but I can get rid of it for now because it's gonna change. So let me delete this. Yeah, okay, so then we have this section. Then the section below it is where we want to put our tabs, and then with our tabs content, and then we could get rid of this. Oh shoot, get rid of this, get rid of this one, just duplicate this, and then refresh. So that should show up. This should be all. Oh, that is a cool name. How do you say it? Jakamso? I probably butchered it. I'm sorry. No, for yourself. So you said year to date, all time, year to date, and monthly. What should I call it? Oh, that's cool. Where are you from? Yearly, monthly. Columns. Nope. 3. Okay, yearly. Oh, okay. Aw. Yearly, monthly. Oh wow, Africa. I'm from here. I'm from I was born in Los Angeles, California, but my parents are from Afghanistan. Okay, let's see. What part of Africa? Africa is a big continent. I'll say country. I caught myself. The weather here is really nice lately. Let's see. I want this to be active on all. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Does Lucid have yearly? Where's monthly? I'll come back to the icons. Let's just focus on the functionality first. Okay, we got these. And then what we want is, oh, Nigeria. Ooh, that's cool. Let's see. This could be, we got content. We got tabs. This should be inside. Yeah. Think so. Yep. Okay. So within this, well, let's see if I do this. I don't think it's the full screen. I think it's only 400. Yeah, so we want to get rid of this. Yes, the component library I am using is Shadcn. We are using Shadcn. This 400. There. Then this one should be like that. and now it's taking up the full screen. And then for our tables, we are gonna change the logic. So for each one, oh, nice. How are you liking it? You're trying to use it? How's the experience been like so far? I think it's easy. It's easy to pick up. Building with Next, yeah. The days of building just to create React apps are over. At least for now. Let's see, all, and then yearly, monthly, what was I trying to do? So they had this, they have that. Yeah, I was having some trouble installing it on plain React. Still have some trouble, but we'll try again tonight. Nice. Yeah, I think they only have documentation for, let's see, installation for frameworks. Oh, is there manual? Yeah. Manual one looks tedious. Oh, was I here? Okay. Then we were, okay, so we're gonna do for that, but then the width is full, so then when we shrink it, then, which we shrink only to 393. Yep. That should be good. Okay. And then, well, I think that doesn't really, let me see. Should I do it on small? So it's still like that, and then it goes like that? Okay. Then, finances. Okay, so we were looking at the all. How can I can create a thing for this. This could be, okay, so we are getting the month. Oh, you already, okay, so you have the month, you have the context. So I have to update that. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, send me, what's your, is it under that, the coding gimmick? Under this account? Or is it a different channel? Or just drop the link in below and then I'll bookmark it and then I'll take a look at it. This one? Okay, cool. I don't have access to it through the chat. I feel like my thing is... I think it's getting a little too hot. How's that? Okay, better. Where were we? Just doing this. Okay, so we have the tabs. We have the content. I'm gonna do it like this. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to do that then. For sure. Okay. Okay, so, oh yeah, that's what I should do. I will do that. Then, where are we? We are here. Then within value, if value. Yes, yeah, we are working on this project together. We've been working on it for the last few months. We had this common problem that I think a lot of developers have, where you can't really, it's hard to finish side projects. So we were trying to brainstorm ideas of like how to solve this problem. So we thought like having a platform dedicated just to things that you use while working on projects to be there, like finances or messaging, and like having your resources all in one place. Because like for me, I have a lot of bookmarks, but then it's hard for me to like keep track of the bookmarks I do have pertaining to a specific project, like what the plan is for the project. You sort of get lost. It takes some time to like catch up switching. There's like a lot of like different use cases, so we're trying to see, build this and see if it's useful, or if it helps us, or if it helps anybody else. And we're always looking for feedback from users. Let's see. Okay, so we're here. If I click this, it's not gonna show. I could optimize this by having an array or something. All right, but I'll do that in a second. I'm trying to see if this will work. This one here, and then that should go in the monthly. The monthly should have a tab. Where would that tab be? Probably on this side. What would be a good place to have that? Probably here. I don't know. We'll put it there for now. We'll see. Or can I put it there? Because it's in this. I don't know if I could put it there. Tab list. If it's this one. No, I should. It should be able to. So I do this, I do that, I do this. I should do flex, row, justify between, item center, something like that. But this only shows if it's monthly, and it only should work if it's monthly, not yearly. Okay, so I gotta fix that. Oh, the idea sounds very cool. I know, I struggle to finish projects too. Yeah, I'll share the link. It should also be in the description too. Let me see. There you go. So, okay, yeah, we're here. We got monthly, year, all. So let's put a condition. Wait, okay, so I need to have a way to keep track of this state. And I was saying yep, no problem. Thanks for checking it out. I don't know if we should have, I was talking to Cody, if this should be a tab, or we should do it by route, similar to how we are doing it for here, where if we go to links, then it has the links at the end, or if it goes to files, it goes files at the end. But then, I'm trying to think, then this whole thing would change, right? Then I would have to have like duplicates of this. And when we do switch, and what would be a good reason to have this? So if you want to share it, then you could share it specifically. But then I don't think it's that hard to click on the thing. So, okay, let's not do it the route way. Let's keep it at the tabs and then just add conditions. So this, is there a way to see what the current tab value is? So then I could have some sort of, because I want this to be here. Does this make sense here? I think it makes sense here. But okay, so for now, I'll comment it. But I want it to only show when it's monthly, and then when it's yearly, show the years, not the months. This one shows all of it. Should show all of it. So let's take a look at the. So let me do this. Let me split the editor. Then let's look at the provider, because we are calling it the context of it. Param, so we're getting all of the, let me switch this actually, I like that one on the other side. Okay, so month, year, finances, get finances for plans. So we have to update this, and we want to not only do monthly, we want to do all and search. Oh, there we go, of course. How can I forget about good old search params? Yes. Let's do that. That is a great idea. Thank you for the suggestion. Okay, so let's do that first. So then when we click a tab, then it's gonna change this. Let's get rid of all of these. And then it's gonna have something like equal, how did I do it? I did it for, what was that? Open graph vault. Open graph. I spelled vault wrong. Yeah, so I did this, and then if we go inside Explore, you could filter it light, and then a theme. So, okay, it's thing. Hey, give me 1 second. Let me see. Okay, it's hot. So it should be not that one. What should I call it? Filter? Filter all? What's a better mode? All filter? I'm just thinking about what to do there. Okay, so then when we click on it, then it updates the click on it, but then how do I update the search params based off of the on click, probably tabs on. I could do on click on the tabs trigger, right? Yep, cool. Okay, so we could do that. So then let me go to this code, which is available. Is it available? I think it should be, unless I don't remember if I, what is it? Yeah, it is public. Okay, so anybody could see it. Let's go here. Where did I go? I go here. Apps. Where was this? Filter. Oh, I have the project. Oh yeah, I'll open the project quickly. Documents, this one. Open graph vault. Okay. Let's see. Let's look for filter. Nope, the filter button. Okay. Was it filter or filters? What did I have? Filter. Filter, open on click, and I have these. Oh, I did a link. Route. What was it? Okay, first do that. where are we? Here. So we'll add the use. I'll probably need to use router and probably need to use path name. So I'm gonna get the path name, get the use router, and then push. I think push it because this is a button. So I'm gonna create a thing for it. Constant update. I'll call it this for now. And then this is for all of them. And this can be optimized by having like a loop or something, or an array of these items and then populate it within here. But okay, I'll leave it at that for now. So let's see, we want to get, we want to do set the path name. Let me know if I'm making, if, I don't know, if I'm doing this right. Router, use router, and then lastly, search params, go use search params, and then we want to get the path name, which we have the router, so we're gonna do, oh wait, okay, so we're gonna have to do this. We're gonna pass it in a variable. Let's call this all. We're gonna accept in an input of a string. Doing the same thing for these, but then this would be yearly. This would be monthly. And then let's see, how did I do it? When you click on it, I have a link. It links it, but I want it to do, is it push? Should I? Would that work? Let me see. Well, let's see if we get the new path, which is equal to path name. Oh no, but we could set, what am I doing? Let me look at this. The use search. Set. Am I setting it anywhere? Here? That. How to get a remote job. Any companies where I could apply. Dude, yeah, get in line. Everybody's trying to get a remote job these days. I am trying to get a remote job too, bro. Whoa, shoot. I mean, have you tried LinkedIn? Have you tried, here, I'll just send you a couple. There's a couple, okay? LinkedIn, and then filter it. So, you only get results for a remote job. Then there's also one called Indeed. That's how you do. Check out these websites. There's this one called Tech for Good. No, Tech Jobs for Good. So they're like a little bit more. They have some remote options here. They will let you know. And then there's also, well, what's it called? No, not that. What's it called? Angelist? What's it called? This one, yeah. Well found. those are all the resources that I use. I have had no luck with any of them yet, but wish you luck. Let's see. Let's go back to this. Let's focus on what we are trying to do. Right. So we were here. Where was this one? The URL search params. Where did I get this from? I think this is default in it, right? Yeah. So let's do this. So I have this here. I spelled search wrong. Nobody said anything. I'm kidding. Let's see. Constant params. Then I want to, let's see if this, oh, but then this returns query. Oh, that's query string. Use callback. What is this? Where did I use this? Handle theme change. Oh, that's what I was doing. I was doing it here. But okay, so I was using this. Let's see. This one, use callback apparently. Set that, so I didn't need to do that here. But what I did need to do here is do this. So let's try that. Let's call this value. Query that. Let's go. Not theme, but we called it filter for now. I don't know what to call it. Okay, so now when we click on it, it should update our URL. Let's see. I'm not gonna even think. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that. Filter all. Let's go back. Let's go back here. Resources, finances. So let's see. If it's all, so we could check if it's this tab. There we go. So now we could call it from here. It's not technically changing the route per se, just filtering it. Then we could use that. We could get it. So then we only show that. Hello, hi Parth. Thanks for joining and being a frequent visitor, audience member. I don't know, what do you call people who watch live streams? Let's see. Oh yeah, I was trying to get the get search params. Get, yeah, this one, and then yeah, we'll add the condition here. So it doesn't show all the time, it only shows I'm back, had to do something. No worries, didn't miss much. Get filter. Oh wait, if I'm getting the filter. Get emoji image. Let me see where else am I using this get. Oh, say equal to month. Will that give me a string? Monthly. No, that's not gonna work. Search. Why don't I just, but I have to use effect. Back, watching without sound, still working on tabs. What are you doing? Yes, Cody, I'm not as fast as you. No, I'm kidding. What am I doing? I am trying to add tabs to this. I am, give me a second. Where is this? Yeah, I added it as what's it called? The thing. Who is the one? Why coding is too hard? What? And why is your capital? Why is your text all capitalized? I feel like you're shouting, or you're just really excited. Let's see. Why is that? Okay, yep. Same thing for the yearly. Nothing has changed. Let me do this. This is just for now. I'm gonna make this better. Don't worry. I just need to see something. Okay. So we got that. Now let's get, how do we check? Because I'm using cap locks. Okay. Let's see. How do I get the thingy? No, but I need to store it in the thing. Yes. A filter is equal to monthly. That, let's see. So now there's a, if I, yay, there we go. Okay, so this only shows up if you click on monthly. If you click on all these, it does not show up. Now the next thing we need to do is make sure that if we go to yearly, we do the same thing, but we do not want to use, we want to use the remote job. Do you know Java will be willing to suffer writing Java? That's funny. I haven't used Java in a very, very long time. So I don't know how much Java knowledge. Do I have not a Telegram channel, but a Discord channel. Both Cody and I have Discord channels if you want to join our Discord. But Cody's is a lot more active and a lot of good stuff there. I mean, I'm open to anything right now if anybody would hire me. Let me see. Let's see. We were here. This, and then I want to be able to click on this and then select the month that you want. March 2024. This one should just be the year. So set, okay, so for Cody, for this one, I could just do year, set year, right? This one you're filtering it by, let me see, what is this? And then you're doing it by that. So I think I have to update this, right? I used Java last in college, never after. The same. That's so funny, right? They teach most of the time, at least the college I went to, they taught us in Java. Even in high school, they taught us in Java. I mean, I think it's a good fundamental language, the first language to learn. I wish they did Python first. Because the Java, you have to remember about the garbage collector and the stuff like that. Also C++. Yeah, C++. Yeah, I haven't touched that in so long. I studied computer engineering, so I think I specialized in hardware design. So I don't know if you're familiar with like Verilog and VHDL, hardware language code. Java is used a lot everywhere except for us hip front-end devs. I haven't tried Java. I hear people say it's not worth it, but don't know. I mean, since no one wants to do it, if you like Java experts, I'm sure make bank because it's hard to find people using Java. But I think it is used a lot. Okay, sidetrack. Let's see. How popular is Java? Trend. Is there, I think there's a graph or something. Oh, I have not come across this website. What is this? PYPL, popularity of programming languages. Python. Looks like it's one. Java, and then JavaScript. I don't know if this is right. PHP is one where Limbo is. But what is Java actually used for? Is it front end or back end? It can be used for anything. We built, no, I think it's mostly back end, right? I've built a couple of projects using Java, but the UIs were not the greatest. It was like an interminable. Yeah, this is a common trend. It looks like both of those graphs look the same. It's first Python. Python, I think, is the best language to learn. The first language to learn, I would have learned Python first, but I learned Java, and then JavaScript, and then C and C++, C#. I think if you know Java, C# is easier to pick up. I have not touched Go. Python is like a Swiss knife. Yeah. How is JavaScript third? My first language was JavaScript. Wow. Chart. Let's see. Yeah. Python wins on most of it. I mean, it makes sense right now because I think a lot of ML stuff uses Python. Machine learning and AI. Research, I think, is done with Python. Or what's the other one? R. Yeah, R is right there. And then there's Java, JavaScript, C#. Okay, let's get back to this. What we were doing, we are working in JavaScript, TypeScript land. Okay, we were doing this. We were looking at this. We were looking at this. Get finances, access, year and month. Alignment, month, start, year, parse. Okay, so you're doing most of the logic within the server. Makes sense. Click month, year. But then we are still using the client. But the logic can be done there. I could add await finances, date, month, year start, month, year end. So we want to do accept an input, month, year. I'm trying to think. What is this? How can we do this? In the server, find, would this be a good approach? Give it a type, let's say, whoa. I need to do, what's it called? How was it before? Okay, this is for security. What other inputs can we use? Get to plan. Let's see. Month, year, month to type. Month, year, query. This changes because we are doing the set month, year. How do we want to do this? If we click on all, we want this to be working for the thing. So we could pass that in. If that changes, then we do that. But then we have to update the type. And the type will be updated when we click the button. The tab. Okay. see. And then we could pass those parameters in, but they won't work until we set month, year, set year, set all. Then we pass in the refactor, explain. Oh, Codium. Explain. Oh my god, my cat. Okay, give me 1 second. Hello, sir. Yes? Okay. He just wants attention. What do you want to say? Huh? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Okay, here, I'll hold you. He's so cute. Okay. Where do you want to go? Huh? What is his name? His name is Hero. Say hi, Hero. Say hi. He was meowing in front of my door. Hiro. Hiro. Are you bored? There's nothing to do here, sir. Okay. Thank you. He is cute. Let's see. Okay. So I have to add more parameters in here. Before I probably do it wrong, let me ask ChatGPT first. I know someone yesterday mentioned Codium. I haven't set it up yet, so I'm still using ChatGPT. No, you're not allowed to, if you go there. All right, let me kick him out because... Greetings! Thanks, he says hi back. Greetings from Argentina. Hola! What time is it there? Is it morning? Is it afternoon? Probably evening, right? Buenos tardes. Let's see. Okay, I need to take him out. I can't focus. Hey! I have to take you out. Go, go. Si va a get hero. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. I have this code. I am filtering. Sí, yo hablo un poquito español. Thank you. Wow, it's 12:30 a.m. in India. Dang. Me gusta las canciones Latin. What's it like? Reggaeton. I like reggaeton. Argentina. I like, what's her name? Maria Becerra. Who else? Pablo Londra. I forgot how to say his last name. Some good talent. Let's see. I have this code. I am filtering the month and year, but I want to be able to get all the data, the yearly data and monthly data. How do I update my params? Let's see. Granularity. Optional. Period start, period end. Default monthly. Equals monthly. Equals yearly. Equals all. Okay. Is that right? I mean, it looks right. Estoy escuchando a Dookie, la para del video pega God. Oh, I haven't. You like listening to Pega God? I haven't seen. No SPHPS, TypeScript. Okay, let me see. Optional. It's actually like that. And then do the same thing. How do you set the default? Oh, that's optional. So this one is the default is whatever I set it. No. If you're just joining, what I'm trying to update right now in our projects, we have a section for finances, and the finances section, we are only able to see the monthly expenses and costs. We are trying to implement to see if we want to see all of the data, year data, monthly data. So we are trying to update. Oh, there we go. Yep. The server code to handle this. It's possibly not. Oh, okay. So you. Where does this go? This is not here. If it's equal to null, return that. Coincidentally, I'm also fixing the bug. Okay. Gondalto. No sé si no conoces. He's very famous. Oh, he is? Oh, I haven't heard of him. With Delta? What's it called? Delta code with HTML and CSS. I don't think I did it right. Have you watched videos by Code with Beto? But he's more of what's it called? He does more. He has two channels, one in Spanish and one in English. Where's his Spanish one? But he does more mobile development. I don't know if you're familiar with him. Simplemente Dalto. Oh, okay. I don't think I could find him. Oh, this one. Soy Dalto.
Hola
Oh,
a todos, yo soy Dalto y les doy la bienvenida al mejor curso de HTML.
wow. He has a lot. Okay, I'll subscribe. Cool, I'll check him out. Ese, yeah. Thanks for sharing. Gracias. Okay, I'll check him out. I'll check out his content. I'll try to get better at my Spanish. How many paying users? So far we have, let's see. We have like about, I think 10 or 11 that are subscribed before, when we had a one-time payment for our MVP. So we weren't originally a platform-based, or this wasn't platform-based. It was more of a one-time payment. You get an AI-generated plan for your project. So this section was all you got. But now we're trying to add more stuff to the project to make it better. And we got like about 70 paying users for this, but it looks different. It looked different. It's not this, but now, yeah, we are still trying. Yeah, we have paying users. Trying to make the platform better so we could get more, you know? I think we got a lot of people to sign up, like almost around 1,000, over 1,000 people. And a lot of them have created a plan. The only thing is we're struggling with is like converting them, or like them having the, thanks, yeah. Yeah, thanks for creating an account, yeah. But I think a lot of them said they still want to see some more features and some bugs to be fixed before they want to actually like subscribe, so. Aw, thanks. I appreciate it. Hey, no earthquakes yet. Honestly, I don't know. I feel like stuff. Yeah, I was in bed and then the bed was shaking a little bit. I think it was my cat. Yeah, the cat is. I'm that thing. No earthquakes yet, Brandon. Okay, let's see. Where were we? Oh, we were here. Let's see. We're fixing this. How's your project coming along, by the way? Do you have is anything public yet for you to share? We're safe from that type of danger there. Yeah, what's it called? In England, what is a natural disaster that occurs? I can't think of any. Would it just be the cold? Is it like always? I know it's always raining, right? You know, cats can sense earthquakes early. Hero will save you. ¿Es para una app o para una página web? Is it for an app or for a web page? Which one? Oh, this? What recording software are you using? The most boring and great country ever. I know animals, I've heard that too. Like dogs would bark. Dogs would bark, right? A lot. Like you hear a lot of dogs barking. You see the birds flying away if there's an earthquake happening. Yes, I use OBS. I'm using like a Logitech webcam. I'm using Restream so I could see all your guys' chats in one place. So OBS with Restream.io. What else am I using? I think that's mainly it. Well, when I add that, it's not working. So what is the issue with this? So we have granularity. How do I update this? Let me see what ChatGPT got for me. Okay, so let's see if this works. I think it looks good. Let's see. Okay. The only thing I need to fix is this. Let's try the other way. What? Period start is possibly null, but I'm saying it's not. If they are not null to a string. Does TypeScript recognize if the value before iOS string can be null or unidentified? It should. Or do you know what I think it could be? No, that's not it. What if I get rid of this? I only understand the return and value. Let's see. How were we doing it before? Now my other cat is meowing. Dang. I've been coding for the last hour and a half? Where did the time go? I mean, I like conversing with you guys. It's fun. Let's see. iOS string. But that's because we know that this is never null. Is my screen clearer than yesterday, by the way? I'm not sure how this looks like on the stream. I have to check after. The date. Hello, greetings from Uruguay. Keep up the good work. Have a nice day. Yes, ADH. What am I saying? 1080p now? No, before I was using the Restream platform. Now I'm just using OBS. So maybe I think I will just stick with OBS. Thanks from Uruguay. That's cool. The only thing I know about Uruguay is that you guys have good mate and Darwin Nunez. And what's his name? Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez. How could I forget Luis Suarez? Oh. We're here. Where was I? I was zoned out for a second. What is this? So we want a granularity. We want to be able to do that. I think the issue. Okay, let's go back to here. Siwayaba. So yes, earlier it would only go. Now it's 1080p. Okay, cool, awesome. I'm still getting this error. But it's not recognizing that. I still don't think that's gonna work. No. Nope. Nope, nope. I was researching and I didn't know that TypeScript was used almost for everything. Where were you researching? Check if both exist and just add a after the. Okay, let's do that. Like you're talking about. and add a after the two string, like this. No. Have you tried Arc browser? Yes, I've tried Arc. I just keep going back to Chrome because I have everything set up here. Have you tried Brave browser? It gets rid of all of your ads and stuff. What am I doing? Okay, we're here. Oh, you said check if both exist and then just a after the two string. Wait, I am checking if both exist. Oh. Yeah, but it's been a while since I've tried Brave. Oh, really? Equal, null, or not equal. And not equal. Even when I did this, doesn't work. Why? You recently downloaded Arc and loving it so far, especially the pop-up windows when watching. Variable, two string, yeah, been a while. Okay, let's try that. I think I tried that. It doesn't work. Why is it? I think it's because of this. Wow. Wait, was that it? What if I got rid of this? Maybe that was it. I don't know if this is gonna give me error. Okay, I guess we'll see. So this takes a second to update. We have the provider. Now how do we actually use it now? So we gotta update this, correct? And then we also got to update finance context. Guaranteed monthly. Yep, we did that. And here we got this. So we switch it to this. And then handle tab change. Update URL. Update URL. Set granularity. Granularity set month. Actually, I can adjust a month. Okay, let's see. Tab change. Let's see if this works. Yearly. I want to update this section. So maybe add this for yearly. And then I have no clue if any of this is gonna work. I haven't even looked at it. Okay. Fresh. All. Okay. This should not show. Let's refresh. This is showing. It's good. Oh, do you know why it's showing? Because the thing is not. Filter is. A filter is. Nice. It looks like it's doing it correctly. So I have all is showing it, including for 2023. If I click yearly, it only shows it for this year. If I click monthly, it shows it only for this month. So then if I uncomment this, then this should show for the month. It's showing right now for that. I have to make sure that filter, let's see what filter is. I think it's undefined. If it's undefined, then don't show it. Filter. Right now it's monthly. Oh yeah, because it's set to monthly. We have it set to monthly inside our provider. Granularity. Let's set it to all initially. So let's refresh. Would that fix it? If it's set to all? No. Why? Because default value is that. Provider is granularity is all. Refresh. Monthly still. Where is monthly being thing? Finances, granularity, not default. If args. Let's see. Feedback. Finances. I don't set anything default here. Nothing here. Granularity all. Use query. The default is all. Okay, let's go back here where we were at. I'm gonna restart this server. Let's see. This should go on the bottom. So let's close this. Let's show this. We have tabs, tab list. Grid flex row is an MD or even, yeah, I think MD. And then this is also MD. This is also MD. And then this could be flex column space Y2. And then this could be MD with full, and then this could be with full. Have I been a programmer for a long time? I would say so. I mean, I've been programming since I was 16. I took a AP computer science in high school. So I was 16. I did robotics in high school, and then from there I had a couple internships. And then I graduated. And then I used Python a lot at my first job and HTML and CSS. My second job, I did some hardware. So I was working with Raspberry Pi and Arduino and doing IoT. And then switched to building our app for our IoT, helping to build our app. So then that's where I learned more about full stack development. I've built an app in the past and had it on the App Store. So yeah, I would say if it lasts like 10 years. But professional, I guess, like career, like maybe like the last 4 years after graduating. I graduated 2019. So it's almost been 5 years. Okay, so monthly. Okay, so it's still showing monthly. But then if I shrink this, let's see. That looks like it works. Do I want this? No, probably in this one. Bastante lenguajes. Yo apenas estoy empezando HTML. You just started. You're just starting with HTML and CSS. Oh, I know a lot of languages. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. HTML and CSS, that's where I first started. So I think it's a great place to start. Let's see. Yearly, monthly. This is correct. I want to only show. Oh, is that? Oh shit. Really all. Oh. So when I first click on it, it's not showing because it's thing. But if I refresh it, it will show because it will not show anymore. Oh, it's because I have that. It will show. It will not show. Oh, because I commented it out. No, I didn't. There you go. Okay, now it's working. Okay. So I got this, all of all time, yearly. Excuse me. Oh, what was this? But to be honest, I feel like I wish I had ChatGPT, or like the amount of resources that there is right now on the internet to learn how to program is so much compared to when I first started. So I think nowadays anybody could learn how to code if they just put their mind to it and just start coding projects. I think that's the best way to learn how to code and get a handle of it. What do I use for my tables? I'm using Shadcn. Are you talking about UI component? Just plain old Shadcn. Okay, let's see if that works. So let's go here. Nice. So we can see it for this year. Let's go back. We can see it for 2023. Nice. Nothing here yet. Cool. Okay, let me make this. Yeah, table UI. Do you use anything for the header, for the click to sort header? Tables are my bane. No, so inside for this to sort, it's within Shadcn's thing. If you go, they have it. Table. No, why am I doing it here? They all look the same. Table. Data table. They have a They have a lot of stuff here. For filtering, update, make header cells sortable. Right here. This is the code. In your columns file, you just have to adjust the header so you want to be able to sort it. It's in the docs. It's pretty straightforward if you read it. If not, let me know. I could make a video on it maybe if I have time. Yep. Let's see. I want to change the border to be and then maybe 600 actually. 700? Am I doing the right one? Is this the right one? Monthly. I'm on yearly. Ha ha. Okay, so probably 400. Text 400. Where am I? Button. Span. Text should also be oh no, that's too much. I think a little bit. Same thing with I started messing around with tan stack table and maybe I'm a noob, but that was oh yeah, tan stack table is confusing. Yeah, go ahead. Try Shad. It's a little bit, I think it's a little bit better. Tan stack is confusing. CAD table is built on top of tan stack table. It's a wrapper. Oh. Yeah. But hey, wrappers make it easier for you to use. Oh yeah, you're right. Brandon, you're right. Oh my god, it's right here. I remember it was right here. This guide will show you how to use tan stack table and the table. But it's not exactly the same, I don't think, Brandon, but some abstractions. I think, do they talk about, because what we do, give me 1 second. How it's set up, we have I don't know if you could see this. So for our finances table, we have this table. We have this repo called components within our finances, and it has all the things that was mentioned inside the data table in ShadCN. So all of them, all the files they mentioned are here, and the final table is here. And then we import this table into our project or our page, and then we pass the data that we get from our database into that. Yeah. And then this is our data, and these are other stuff, but yeah, everything is here. I think it makes it easier to understand where everything is at here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go here. We're doing this. Oh my god. Okay. So we got that. I want to change this color. So we do. Oh, I already have it there. Okay. So we want to do stroke, neutral, 500. And then do the same here. Let's get rid of this. Shit, I guess I'm gonna have to level up then. Get good at that. Do you know who has a really good video on tables? Is Hamid. You could go check it out. Hamid Hamid Next.js. He has, I don't know if you've watched it. Let's see.
In this video, we'll
go give him a follow too. He has great content on Next.js. He did, let me see, tables. He like really breaks it down. I think, let's see, tables in JS using Shetzian. Table component. Yeah, both of these are good, but I think this is the one that you might want.
Hey friends, welcome back to the
Let me go ahead and share it. So that's the video.
channel. Is the table
and I think he like
function.
really
This
walks
is inside
through
of
it.
pagination section
So
by
definitely
email.
go check
So
that
let's
out. Good shout. I love Hamid. Didn't know he had a table. Yeah, I met him in person. He's really awesome. I met him at the Next.js conference. I told him his content, I feel like he should have way more subscribers, because his niche is Next.js. And I just stick with it. And then he explains it really well, and he articulates it very easy to understand. And everything is just, his videos are just so consistent. Okay, let's see. We were here. We were taking a look at this. Okay, I think this is a little bit better. Let's see. I think this one is darker. No, maybe I don't really like it too dark. 3. Maybe this? What do you guys think of this? Do you think this is too light? I think I like this one. And then 4, let's see. I just do the same. I make it so difficult. Let's do that. Then I probably should have finished it, but it's okay. That and that. So then when we go to yearly, oh yeah, okay, we also need to do that. And then you have to check it in dark mode. So let's see. Oh, this isn't all. This should not be showing up in all. Yearly. Okay. Well, I'll fix that bug in a second. Let's see. Switches. Yep. And then let's try dark. Okay, that does not look good. Let's fix that. Monthly. So, and we do dark, and then maybe try 500, maybe 600. Is that too dark? Or is that too light? Maybe like a little bit, like 500. Or maybe make that 600 and then make the other ones 500. Oh, but the other one's already 500. Maybe make the other ones 4. Yeah, I think I have 400 for them for other places. It's a little bit brighter. Let's see. This should be text. Yeah, a little bit. Should I make this one also brighter? Maybe. We'll try 500. Okay, yeah, that doesn't look terrible for now. Okay. Just as a thingamabobber. Okay, let's do that. Let's do there. We go back here. We do that here. And then we do that here. Let's do this. So that's fine. And then we have to go here and fix the month. Oh yeah, I already did that. Okay, so the last one is the one that's on the outside here. And we did that here. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. Okay, I don't know why sometimes it shows up here and sometimes it doesn't. And if we shrink it, it does that. You can see that. And should I wanted to add some icons here to make it look nicer. I think that's working. It seems like it's working. Oh yeah, what was the issue? If I get rid of this, sometimes it shows it. Let's get rid of this, filter all. No, it's not. Okay, I guess I can't reproduce that bug, so I'll deal with it when it comes back. So delete this. Okay. Am I using middleware to protect the auth routes? Yes, we are using... the only thing we're using right now is Clerk, and with Clerk you're able to set up the middleware for that. So we have all of these as public routes. Anything else that is not here, then we are protecting it. Actually, let me delete this. I don't need this. Did I have that API? No. Okay. So let's see what icons would be good. Week, month, days, month, year. I want to add icons there. I don't know which ones to use. I'll delete that. Calculate total. Import to-do lists. No, which one was it? List. This one. Layout list. Import layout list. Go here, go here. Okay, so then we want to do a... I'll just do it within... or to here, span. Sometimes my keyboard is slow. I think it's because I have too many USBs connected. All yearly. What is good to represent year? Year. Which one is good for year? I think this makes sense for whatever. I don't want to overthink it. Calendar days. That would be good for this one. Looks like that. And then what's the year? Date. Maybe this one. Calendar range. I guess I'll leave it at that one. Alright. Let's see this. It looks good. What do you guys think? This is total profit. This is yearly profit. This is monthly profit. This is all fake data, by the way. This is thing. Okay. Let's push it. Let us do it. Okay, so let us first do a npm run build. See if that works. Thanks, Brandon. Appreciate it. Where are we using? That's the sheets. Did Cody make any updates? Get add, get commits, updated finances page to handle all year and monthly. Get pull. Get push. Okay. Let's see if it works. That is not. So that was a different issue, but I guess it's yearly, monthly, yearly. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I also wanted to be able to show, in terms of if your Stripe is connected, show the users that you've received each year, month, and whatnot, and how many total people have bought. Because that was a great question someone asked earlier. I have to look at my database to see how many people have got our purchased our subscription, to see if we're growing or if this project isn't really taking off. So let's see. We got that. Oh yeah, the thing that I wanted to work on, so that was still pertaining to a calendar. Let's see. Someone wanted the ability to add certain things to the dashboard, which makes sense. Probably gonna figure that out. Work items. We need to figure out, sometimes our plans don't generate correctly. Need to fix that. Our finances, new finance. Oh, it was in terms of this. So, no, not this one, finance. It was this one. So we have this weird thing where if you click on this, you click it, it doesn't close. So I think I'm going to fix that bug first. Let's see. I think it's a Shatsian thing. Calendar. Let's see. And calendar doesn't close on click. Yeah, someone was talking about it. And what did they do? Okay, sorry about that. I think you just need to set default month to date. Oh, this was 3 weeks ago. Okay. So let us go here. This is going to be inside our modal. Oh, which modal was it? The create, no. Add finance modal, yeah, here. Oh, but we want to update it within, where are we using calendar? Calendar is used right here. Okay. Default month. No, si still open this program. Okay. Let's see. I just close. It doesn't close and submit. Date picker. Let me see. can't customize date picker display across browsers set on pop model. Date picker not usable to such. No. Doesn't close, right? And what did they say? Would a change log be useful for us, both you and I? Add features we can scroll back and see what we worked, what work that we did the past few days. Yeah, I have it on our to-do list to add the change log. I mean, on our work items. Just haven't gotten around. I don't know if it's priority. Oh shit. Oh, it's because it's building. Wait, I did a build. I did npm build. Give me a second. Deploying still. Okay. Still deploying. But yes, and there are a couple good change logs. A build shouldn't cause an app to die, I don't think. I think it does. Or okay, we'll see. Because I was trying to access it when you pushed a recent build and the same thing happened. And I think it was still deploying. Well, that's not a good thing, right? Shouldn't die. What if we were updating the convex stuff? So if the front end gets updated before the back end gets updated, would that cause it to die? I'm guessing. I don't know if that's even the right. Okay, let's see. What was I? Oh yeah, the work I. Oh, let me show you a change log. There are a couple change logs that I liked the look of it. First, obviously, Dub is always used as a example. They have a good. Yeah, if we change the convex query, the app will be broken until the UI. Yes, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. What is the way to fix that? Would it be okay? You have to have two. No, would it always be broken? Or can we do the convex push before the UI update? Or that's just how it is? Is it the ordering of the... Or I don't know. Do we have control of that? Which one gets pushed first? Oh, no, but it will still be broken. It doesn't matter which one is pushed first because then it's like... Don't make breaking. What change did you make if you... No, it was... I just updated the way that the finances is filtered. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. Just because before you're filtering just based off of... Oh, wait, here. I got the tables going. Okay, I think. So here, okay, we got all, right? And we got yearly, but we don't have another year. So let me do... 20, let's select February. No, that's not still. Okay, let's do October and then whatever. So then here, yearly only shows 2024. If we go back, it shows okay, this might be a little bit too late. I might fix that. Okay. But yeah, now it shows that. If we go here, everything shows up. Monthly, it just shows the month of February. No, this is wrong. Wait. February 2009. I don't know why I included this one. Is it because it's a, oh. Why was... Okay, I don't know why that happened. Interesting. Okay. Monthly. January. This is January. This is February. I don't know why that happened. Okay. Yeah, I was just updating how this is queer. Can we default to monthly? I don't think seeing all is very useful from day-to-day perspective. Yeah, we can. I could switch the ordering. Then it would be monthly, yearly, and all. Or do you want me to just completely ding it? Let me see. Where is... Or what are your thoughts? Oh my god, my table's just shaking. Oh my god, why is that doing that? Okay. I think... What do I think? I'm trying to think. I think all might be good. Okay, hear me out. We could switch it to monthly, but I don't know if my reasoning to stick with the all as default is fine. It's like, okay, I want to see how much profit I've made total on a project. For me, that's what I care about. It's like, how much have I, as a user, I want to know if we are growing. So monthly is most important to me. Also a way to compare previous month. That's true. But then also as a user, I want to know if how much, if someone asks, oh, how much money have you made in total? Oh, actually, no, wait, you have a point. Because going back to MRR, right? It depends though. If, no, it doesn't depend. It's the same. Yeah, we can move it. I'll fix that. I don't have a good enough argument to do all as default. So I'll fix that. I mean, maybe we should just persist the tab state to local storage, or like we do for the work item filters. Did the thing. No, that's fine. We could do monthly first. I'm cool with that. It's not that hard to implement either. And then if we could always change it back if, you know, if people are saying, oh, I want this, it's fine. I just need to switch the ordering. That's it. Just put this one like this, and then this one like this. And then change the default to wherever I had it all. It was, oh yeah, the granularity. Okay, so I just need to, I don't need to touch anything here. That wasn't where it's happening. I have it here. So I just changed this one to monthly. And then we should be good. Granularity equal, oh shoot, I changed the wrong one. Okay, let me go back. All, okay. Monthly default. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. And then this one. I think those are the two. And then the reason why that one's is there. Oh no, let's refresh. Let's refresh. No, oh, I have this set to the all as default. So let's change that to, where are you? Monthly. And then I think we should be good. The default. Okay, how about this? And why is that not showing up? There, now it's showing up. Oh, but it's showing up only because of that. So this should always show if filter is monthly. But then filter should be Filters monthly. Either want to work either I either want to work on that change log thing and add charts to the finance table. Yeah, charts would I was working on the charts, but then I'm like, just for now, just to keep it simple, we could just do this. Or like have users maybe have like a toggle. I don't know, that'd be maybe we can use AI to generate the change log based on the completed work items. Then that would be a very big change log. wait. I was gonna show you. Okay, so there's the Dubs change log. They have it like this. So I don't know how you want to do it. Do you want to have the change log also be like a blog post or like a new version update to the platform? Also, we haven't really talked about versioning. I don't know if that's important. Like to be able to like go back to a previous version or like snapshotting a current version, a working version. I know because we're building fast. I think all that stuff slows down our speed. But okay, so there's this, right? We could introducing. It could also be like marketing thing. If you click on this, then it talks more about the changes. But then we just have to. I have the MDX everything set up. I don't know if you wanted to do it like this or something more simpler, like how they do it with ShipRN. Who did this? Who came up with this? I think they keyed it like this, something like this. Oh, we are this is goes back to versioning. This is more of a CLI thing, but like you get my thing. Okay, these are the updates that we've made. Who else has a changelog thing? I think Asynter. What's it called? Asynterity UI. Did they have something for changelog? No, I thought they did. But what's it called? Ernesto has Ernesto. What's his thing? Ernesto's thing. Just trying to find. Where is your thing? Okay, give me a second. This is inspired by his changelog thing. Let me find it. I have to find him on. Here you go. All right. His website. No, where did your website go? I don't think we need versions, but public single page blog with recent updates would be useful. It would be nice for marketing perspective and feature awareness for our users and each other. Yeah. Okay, so we could go that route. We could do that. I could base it off of this. Are you fine with this layout? Yes, ShipRN is open source. Let me share with you. It was originally called, sorry, this is side, no, I'm sorry, ShipRN is not open source, but Create Expo Stack is, which is built by the same people, built by Dan. This is open source. You can check this out. But the ShipRN is here. The next thing, they called it, they need to update that in their website, but it's now ShipRN. This is, you have to pay for it. This one is a open source command line. It's, they have that here too. Yeah, maybe that's what I was looking for. They have that. This is not opinionated. The CLI is not opinionated, whereas ShipRN is. And then also there is a I'm sorry, I'm getting off of a tangent. Native Wind UI. Shoot, not that. Not the Discord. They recently came out with it. If you want Tailwind like S components for your mobile application, you could check that out. But yes, that one also costs money. These are not open source, but this one is. But they're all built by the same group of people, very smart people, hardworking people. I contributed to the doc, so I helped a little bit with the documentation. I think they updated some of the stuff though. Oh no, not for this. I helped the docs for this and as well as this docs. I helped out with all these photos. That was all me. And yeah, the database stuff. that was more so. What's his name? I forgot his name. Yep. Anyway, yes, of course. Yep. Side tangent. Yes, going back to change log. There's this change log. What other change log? I think the resend also has a good, I think, change log right here. We could do it like this. Damn, I've been busy. Yeah, I if I see a cool project, I try to if I can either contribute or share, put the word out about it. Cody, if you're still there, I don't know, which changelog do you like better? Do you like this one or this one? Thank you, appreciate it. I sort of like Resend's changelog better. And it's also a document thing. And I have all this set up. I just need we don't have this page. We could just add it in. Are you working professionally as a developer or a freelancer? I mean, I've been trying to build side projects for the last few months or the last year. All of them have failed. But this one is the first one. ProjectPlannerAI is the first one that I've gotten the farthest with. And that's, I think, mostly due to working with Cody. Like, we keep each other accountable and we're making progress every day. Yeah. Ready to have the styles. I could start working on the styles right now, or that could be the next thing. I know you said you wanted to work on it. I don't know if you want to work on it, if you want me to work on it. Yeah, resend. Yeah. Okay, so let's stick with resend. Nice, sounds cool. Let's work on that then. All I would need to do is Cody, I think the next thing I need to figure out let's see. And our feedback, I don't want to show the emails though. Let me do this offline. Let me see. Here. Oh, I haven't seen your message yet. Give me a second. Still failed. Dang it. Why is Stripe still failing? Okay, I still need to work on that then. Oh. Wait, Cody. I don't know why I say it like that. Give me a second. Okay, I need to take a look at that again. Stripe. You can work on the UI, but I may work on the back end part, which uses AI to analyze newly completed work items to generate changelog entries. So how are we gonna fill? Because we have almost like over 100 change logs. I mean, almost over 100 work items. How would we do that? I'm trying to think. So you're saying in the change log, we're gonna use AI to automatically update it, right? Whenever we create a new or have a finished change log item, then that's how the AI user opens work item, clicks generate. Okay. And it would be manual process. Okay, good. Okay. And what would it generate change log? So what needs to be generated would be, this is an MDX file. And all this page is doing is I'm using Next.js MDX. So that's how our blog is being generated. Our blog, I have to come back to that too, because that does not look good right now. Okay. Ignore the styling. This is terrible. Let me see. We have this. So we would just have to create another one for changelog inside content. So I have to create a folder within here for changelog. This would be our changelog content. So it would be /changelog / the ID or the slug of the title of the MDX. So how they get this is they get this from here. The title name, which is the MDX load from convex and MDX load from convex. Oh, that's a good point. Right now I have everything set up manually. I don't have anything in Convex, but you're saying put all of our MDX stuff within Convex, like have a changelog table? Is that what you're saying? Or do you want to have like a UI for the changelog? So that when you generate changelog, then it redirects you to that. So then if you want to edit anything, it populates everything for you. But then if you want to edit anything, it'll put it there. I'm trying to think about how this is going to work in terms of thing. Because what we would, yeah, you're saying AI generate this, right? AI would generate this. But if we need to change anything, we need a UI, right, to update it? Or are you saying we would just update it in the database? I'm trying to see if there's any other, because I don't know how, I mean, it is important. How do you decide what to work on? What did someone say? Cause of previous complaint. When you select a work item, the text is automatically selected. And that's what causes the issue if something went wrong when you click status on other element. Work item broken. When I tried to change, okay. Improve items filter table. Oh, it's by the same person. Whoa. Cody, have you checked out? Okay. I think before, I don't know. When we build a product, okay, so we are getting a lot of awesome feedback from users. I'm taking a look at it on my other screen because I don't want to share their info. But we have a lot of complaints and issues that were submitted. Okay, so you focus, yes. You can focus on the changelog, implement it. Let's see. I think we need a new changelog table, right? A route projects ID changes, which loads all the entries, a model or sheet. Oh, this is right, MD in the text area. So you want this as a feature. Okay, I was confused. Okay. Wait. I don't know if I'm understanding this correctly. So you want a change log, a part of a person's project. So then you could see all the changes they've made. Okay, I thought you were talking about just have it on our just for Project Planner AI, just have a change. Okay. I think that would be really useful. That would be cool to see the changes based off of your work items. Every project has its own changelog they can manage and publish. And they could publish on, we create the MDX for them. Yeah, that would be cool. Changelog, work items. Work items are the to-do list, the things that we're doing right now, priority. Changelog to see all the updates that we've made. Use AI to generate it. Generate the changelog. Yeah, because no one wants to do that manually. Yeah. I didn't even think about, okay. Work item, create into a change log. Work item, add to change log. Okay. Sounds good. Let's go. Let's do it then. Okay, you could start working on that. I still need to work on the I need to work on, I'm going to check out some of the feedback or see if I could get any of the complaints fixed. Do you know if the invite link is still broken? I don't know. Someone was saying that they weren't able to invite. Improve work item. Yep. Add APIs for work items. Oh. It'd be very cool with an API for creating work items. Like, I want to have a / command for my Discord bot to do a... Oh, did you see that? Okay. Some people are giving us some good ideas. Okay. I tested it like 2 days ago and it worked. I got an email, clicked it, and I was added to the project. Weird. Okay. That was 2 days ago. This person said this March 18th. So it should be a good by now. Yeah, it should be fixed. Okay, so let me update that. Okay. Okay, sounds good. I think that's where I'm gonna end in today's live stream so far. You're seeing in real time how we are trying to build this out. So I'm gonna go offline and work on fix some of the feedback things that we've been getting from users. Until tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're gonna be working on, but I guess you'll see tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in to the live stream, day 15 of live streaming, building Project Planner AI in public. If you have any feedback or want to try it out, you can go try it out. Maybe I have to try to stay and work on this project. Let's do a simultaneous, stream at the same time. So like we're talking to each other on each other's streams. Nah, just kidding. Oh, whatever. But yeah, of course. Okay, thanks you guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Have a good one. It's the weekend, so enjoy yourself. And yeah.